I actually don't know anything about this. I know I was like...
You're high?
We didn't do this last year, right?
We did not know.
Actually pretty high for a rapid ride.
Is this higher than Silver Dollar City?
Probably. I think it might be. Like a water slide. Can we see our hotel from here? Like,
That ride is like the most nuts thing ever. Like it's just on cable. And I'm like, and there's Olympia looping, like right there. Whoa!
a lateral.
Whoa! Whoa! We got a spin going.
It's so forceful. We're still spinning.
Whoa! Oh!
Guys, we're getting close to the drop.
Oh no, here it is! Oh my god! That is a drop! And that's water! Keep your feet up, don't put them down yet, don't put them down yet.
I got so wet!
Yeah, you wet?
Yeah, I got soaked! That was awesome!
It's a small drop, but like it gets you.
My foot got nailed!
What?
My foot got soaked!
Wow, this is sick. I liked it. Who makes this, you know? Never heard of this one.
Oh, we're done?